So we'll see in this lesson how to express things that will happen in the near future. And as in some other languages, the key point will be one verb, and the verb is aller. And we'll conjugate aller in the present form. So like in this example that I will give you now, je vais partir demain. So technically, if you translate it straight, it's I go, leave tomorrow. So it's exactly like in English, this I am going to concept. So I am going to leave tomorrow. In French, je vais partir demain. Je vais partir demain. And so by definition, because we're using a verb, aller, in the present tense, it makes us more certain that things will happen. It's more certain that the real future. Okay, so let's see a few other examples. You are going to take the bus in 10 minutes. Tu vas prendre le bus dans 10 minutes. Tu vas prendre le bus dans 10 minutes. Tu vas prendre le bus dans 10 minutes. He's going to get married in a week. Il va se marier dans une semaine. Il va se marier dans une semaine. Il va se marier dans une semaine. She's going to watch this show with her girlfriend. Elle va regarder cette série avec sa copine. Elle va regarder cette série avec sa copine. Elle va regarder cette série avec sa copine. We are going to try to stay serious. Nous allons essayer de rester sérieux. Nous allons essayer de rester sérieux. Nous allons essayer de rester sérieux. You are going to come and pick us up. Vous allez venir nous chercher. Vous allez venir nous chercher. Vous allez venir nous chercher. They will go home in 30 minutes. So in that case, it was difficult to put this near future because in English it would sound a bit strange. They are going to go home. So that's the reason why I've been putting the real future in that case in English. But still, it's possible in French because it's not the same verb, it's rentrer, rentrer to go home. Ils vont rentrer à la maison dans 30 minutes. Ils vont rentrer à la maison dans 30 minutes. Ils vont rentrer à la maison dans 30 minutes. So remember, rentrer is to go home. So in that case, it makes it possible to use this near future. Ils vont rentrer. We don't have any repetition there. They are going to repair the car this weekend. Elles vont réparer la voiture ce week-end. Elles vont réparer la voiture ce week-end. Elles vont réparer la voiture ce week-end. So keep in mind, if you really want to master this futur proche concept, you just need to focus on the verb aller, aller is to go, and try to remember by heart all the forms in the present. Je, tu, il, nous, vous, il. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle, va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles, vont. Merci beaucoup.